Hi, myself Dr. V.S. Rathore. I am an aesthetic plastic surgeon. Today we are going to discuss about breast reduction surgery. Now, what exactly is breast reduction surgery? Breast reduction surgery is a surgery to reduce the size of breast or to reshape the breast as well as to decrease the weight of the breast. It is done in a woman or a lady who is having a huge breast, hanging breast, that is leading to neck pain, shoulder pain, back pain, leading to grooves in the shoulder, and it causes recurrent infection underneath the breast line as well as the cleavage area, and they feel very difficult in socializing, wearing proper clothes, and they feel very embarrassed during gymming or running. So these are the candidates who can undergo breast reduction surgery. Does the breast reduction decreases the cup size? Definitely. By reducing the breast volume, we are over and reshaping the breast, there will be an alteration or decrease in the breast cup size. But exactly whenever the patient is coming for the counseling, I never say what exactly the cup size. It could be a B, C, D or A, B, because the cup size are really arbitrary. But I always counsel my patient that the overall decrease in the breast volume and reshape is definitely going to have an idea of approximately some decrease in the cup size, considering what cup size she was having before the surgery. So, what benefit does the patient gets after doing a breast reduction surgery? Obviously, they will get rid of the neck pain, shoulder grooving, back pain, and they can wear their clothing of their choice, and they will be more comfortable during their social activities and during gymming, running, or socializing freely. It will increase their confidence level to an extent that this surgery makes them really happy. Regarding recovery following the breast reduction surgery, it's very smooth, and what I do immediately after the operation, I infiltrate the breast and the chest wall area within local anesthetic, so that as soon as the patient wake up from the anesthesia, the patient is very comfortable and absolutely painless. The patient has to wear a bra, and I do and dressing which supports the breast in a appropriate shape, and I advise my patient to wear special types of bra at least for 3 weeks, and obviously they should not wear a bra which is having a wire underneath, otherwise it will cause pressure and pain over the stitch area. So as such, these patients are really very happy, and overall the complete result is patient can appreciate in 2 to 3 months time. Breast reduction surgery I do under general anesthesia. For small reduction, I discharge my patient on same day, and for a major reduction, I usually keep my patient for overnight and discharge the patient next day. I usually do not put drain after my surgery, and there is a dressing which I ask my patient to remove after 48 to 72 hours, and then they can take shower. Special bras are there, they should wear it, especially unwired bra, otherwise the wired bra will cause pressure on the stitch area, and that may cause pain and discomfort. And I ask my patient to visit my clinic after 7 days, and usually the patients are happy once they see they are getting rid of the unsightly appearance and saggy breast. They can wear the clothing of their choice, and they are pain free, and they can socialize, and they can involve in sports as well as their leisure activities happily and nicely. Breast reduction surgery is safe and reliable. It definitely gives the patient what the patient is desiring to have: reduction in the breast volume, having a good shape, and they can wear their clothing of the choice, and they can can engage in their sports as well as the gymming and normal leisure activities. So any patient who is looking for a breast reduction surgery, they can get in touch with my clinic at following numbers, and they can WhatsApp at this number, and some member from my office will definitely contact you and make an appointment with me, and I'll be there to help you out to clarify all your doubts and your expectations. I'll sit down with you, I'll physically examine you, and I'll show you some before afters, and definitely you will get relief from your symptoms once you underwent breast reduction surgery. Thank you for watching this video. To know more about other cosmetic surgery procedures, you subscribe my Kayakalp channel to have more information regarding other surgeries too.